So in my last video we have discussed about a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Here I have chosen another example to discuss the same formula, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Uh, Here it's a different type of question. Here sad numbers are connected with this question. Now the question is 2 root 2 a cube plus b cube 16 root 2 b cube plus c cube minus 12 abc. As you know, first we need to convert these three portion as in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. See, you have 2 root 2 a cube. So since it's a root number, so you need to write the number smartly so that after doing cube you get the same number. See, it's a 2 root 2 a cube, 2 root 2. So what will you write inside the bracket so that after doing cube you get again 2 root 2. Here also you have 16 root 2. So what will you write inside the bracket so that you get 16 root 2. I have showed this in here. See, root 2, if we do root 2 whole cube, that means root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So 3 times root 2. Root 2 into root 2 becomes 2 and another root 2. That means for getting 2 root 2 you need to do to get 2 root 2 you have to do root 2 whole cube. Yes, so that to get 2 root 2 you have to do root 2 whole cube. Similarly, to get 16 root 2, what we need to do? If we do 2 root 2 whole cube, we need to multiply 2 root 2 3 times, that is 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. You see, 2 into the 4, 4 to the 8. As you know, root 2 into root 2 becomes 2. So one more root 2 is left, that is 8 to the 16, 16 root 2. So for getting 16 root 2, you have to write 2 root 2 whole cube. 2 root 2 and b. C cube is alone. So we have got a, b and c. As per the formula, a cube plus b cube plus c cube, then minus 3, a means root 2a, b means 2 root 2 b, and c means c here. You see, so see, this portion we have split it, but you will also at the same time you need to check whether this one is matching with this one or not. See, 3 to the 6, root 2 into root 2 2, 6 to the 12. Okay, so now this line is in the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So we can now apply the formula. Formula is a plus b plus c, then a plus b plus c into a square. A square means root 2a whole square, b square means 2 root 2b whole square, plus c square means c square, a square plus b square plus c square, minus ab. Ab means this is a and this is b, minus bc, b into this is minus ab, this is minus bc, then minus ca. C means c, a means root 2a. So we have applied the formula a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now just we need to simplify this portion. This one is as it is, and here root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square means root 2 into root 2, that is 2 a square. 2 root 2 whole square. 2 root 2 whole square means 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 whole square means 2 root 2 into 2 root 2, that is 2 to the 4, root 2 into root 2 2, that is you are getting 8. So 2 root 2 whole square giving you 8, 8b square. Then c square is c square. Here 2 root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2 2, 2 and 2, 2 to the 4. If you have any problem regarding this while splitting of the third number, you can ask me later, no problem. I will discuss this third number again. 2 root 2 BC and here root 2 CA. So this is the application of the formula.